Ferdinand Martin Gomez Romualdez is the Speaker of the House of Representatives in the 20th Congress. Winning unchallenged in July 2025, he has been the congressman of the 1st District of Leyte since 2019, a position he also held from 2007 to 2016. Romualdez is also the president of the Lacus Christian Muslim Democrats political party. He was a key figure in the formation of the now-collapsed Uniteam alliance between his cousin, President Marcos, and Vice President Sara Duterte for the 2022 elections. Born on November 14, 1963, Romualdez is one of the 4 children of the late former Lady Governor and Ambassador Benjamin Cocoy Romualdez and Juliet Romualdez. He is a nephew of former First Lady Imelda Marcos, his father's sister, and a first cousin of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in the 2016 polls. Romualdez ran for senator but lost, placing 15th. Aside from politics, Romualdez and his family are also known for their wealth and businesses with involvement in industries such as media and mining. Romualdez is the owner of the newspaper companies Manila Standard and Journal Group of Publications and the mass media firm Philippine Collective Media Corporation. Romualdez obtained his Bachelor of Arts in Government degree from Cornell University in the United States in 1985. Then his Bachelor of Laws from the University of the Philippines College of Law in 1992. He passed the bar examinations in 1993. Ferdinand Martin Gomez Romualdez, Sr., born November 14, 1963, is a Filipino businessman, lawyer, and politician who has been the 24th Speaker of the House of Representatives since 2022. He has also served as the representative for Leyte's 1st District since 2019 and previously from 2007 to 2016. He was previously the House Majority Leader from 2019 to 2022. Born to the 4th generation of the Romualdez family, he graduated from Cornell University in the United States and pursued legal studies at the University of the Philippines College of Law. Being admitted to the bar in 1993, Romualdez entered government in 2007 after being elected to the House of Representatives, being re-elected in 2010 and 2013. Romualdez was elected back to the lower chamber in 2019. During his 2nd tenure, he managed the successful vice presidential campaign of Sara Duterte. He was elected as Speaker in 2022. During his speakership, Romualdez played a key role in the Marcos-Duterte rift and pursued constitutional reforms that were marred by irregularities. Romualdez was instrumental in the deepening rift between the Marcos and Duterte families. Under Romualdez's watch, the House denied Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte's requests for confidential funds that could be used for the Education Department's proposed Reserve Officers Training Course program, but swiftly passed the same funds for the Office of the President. This led Sara's father and former President Rodrigo Duterte to allege a connivance between Romualdez and the leftist Makabayan bloc in stripping Sara of confidential funds. Amid the feud of the Marcos and Duterte clans in late April 2023, Romualdez said the House will probe into an agreement Duterte made during his presidency with Chinese President Xi Jinping. Under the agreement, Duterte agreed to maintain the status quo in the South China Sea to avoid escalating a war. Romualdez married Yetta Marie Kittelstvedt, who represented the Philippines at Miss International 1996 and civil rights in Hong Kong in November 1999, with a church wedding following at Santuario de San Antonio in Forbes Park, Makati, on February 4, 2001. They have 4 children and currently live in Tacloban and Makati. Their sons Ferdinand and Martin Romualdez Jr., also known as Marty, and Andrew Julian Romualdez are also in politics, having been elected as a councilor of Tacloban and a representative of Tingog Party list in 2025, respectively. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.